Hello my dear student of class 11, welcome in biology class. Chapter number 5 is going on, that is morphology of plants. Today's part 3. In this chapter we are little learn about the what is morphology and parts of the plant, along that their root system. Today I am going to describe what is stem. Generally, you know what is root and stem. Root is mostly found into the earth, that is covered with the soil, and the stem is the above the soil found. It is one. So let us one by one what is basics of the stem and their function. Point wise here for your suitability I prepared. You can see. It is this stem is ascending part of plant that axis bearing branches, leaves, flowers, fruit, and that develops from plumule of the embryo of germinating seeds. It is stem, very simple. Stem is the ascending part of plant that their axis bearing branches, flowers, fruit, leaves, and that is developed from plumule of the embryo of germinating seed. So we can say simply this stem is basic parts. By that leaves, branches, flower and fruits are developed, and also plumule. What is plumule? Simply this word plumule is the young shoot of the embryo of germinating seed. This one, this term is the young shoot. Young shoot means generally we know that the shoot is the also stem. Young stem means they are soft and very slicey like. So simply we can say this is stem. Stem is the ascending part of plant that axis bearing branches, leaves, flower and fruits, and that is developed from the plumules of the embryo of germinating seed. Next point. Simply we can say stems bears node and internode. What is node and internode? Here I mention on the board region of stem where leaves are produced. Leaves are produced are called nodes, and portion between the two nodes are called internodes. Nodes and internode, two terms related to stem. Nodes is the portion where leaves are arises or branches are arises, and internodes means the portion between the two nodes is called internode. In other words, stem are generally seen green in color, and also they bear buds. Buds also produce, that is the primary part of the fruit. Buds also bear in the stem. And next, the main function of the stem is we know that simply that is spreading the branches of plant, bearing leaves and flower and fruit, and also transport the water, mineral and foods. This water, mineral and fruits is generally transported by the xylem. In the previous chapter I told about the xylem and phloem. Also you studied in the lower classes what is xylem and phloem. Xylem transport the water and mineral from the root of the plant to the stem, and phloem take the food material that is formed by the process of photosynthesis in the plant, transported from the upper part to the all part. So simply we can say stem is help in the spreading the branch, bearing of leaf, flower and fruit, and main function is the transporting of the water, mineral and fruit from root to all part of the body of the plant and from the upper part to the lower with the help of xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem are the two vascular bundles which is present in the all plants. And last one is the special function like storage of food, support, protection and vegetative propagation also takes place by the stem. These are the main basics function of the stem that is prescribed in your book, and also it is important for your life. Thank you. Next topic is the modification of stems. How they are modified and important for the human beings as well as for the plants. So let us consider one by one. This stem is modified. Underground stem of the potato, ginger and turmeric and etc. are modified to store food and also act as organ of pollination in the unfavorable condition. This is first point, in which you can see underground stem of the potato, ginger, turmeric, etc. are the modified in the as a storing food materials. So we are using these potato, gingers in our daily life as a food. So sometimes it is act as the organ of pollination in the unfavorable condition. And pollination means होता है unstable condition in the unfavorable condition. So let us stem tendrils help to climb as in cucumber, pumpkin and grapes. This one, stem tendrils help to climb in cucumber, pumpkin and grapes. Tendrils just like this one. Tendrils are spring-like structure, just this one, and that help in the climbing climbing the cucumber, pumpkin, grapes plants on another plants. Auxiliary buds of the stem may modified into woody, straight and pointed thorns in citrus plant and in the bougainvillea. This auxiliary bud of the stems may modified into the woody, straight and pointed thorn in citrus and bougainvillea that help in the branching of the plants. Plants grace the different plants, so they have the thorn just like a pointed thorn, and they effect on the mouth of the animals. Plant of the arid region modified their stem to flattened actonia and fleshy cylindrical, that is euphorbia, having chlorophyll that help in the process of photosynthesis. Some plants that arid region modified stem into the flattened fleshy cylindrical, they have the chlorophyll that is useful for the photosynthesis process for making the food material in the presence of sunlight into the plant. So another vegetative propagation in grass, jasmine, etc. also shown and modified, and they result into their new young ones. Modification of stem, अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम पोटैटो का, गिंगर का, टर्मरिक का मॉडिफाइड होता है किसमें? फूड मटेरियल के रूप में, और वह परिनेशन आर्गन के रूप में हेल्प होता है, अस्थायी होते हैं दे किस में? अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन में। जब फेवरेबल कंडीशन नहीं होगा तो क्या होंगे? अपने आप को डिस्ट्रॉय कर लेंगे। स्टेम के पास टेंड्रिल्स पाया जाता है जो कि हेल्प करता है क्लाइंबिंग करने पर, जैसे एग्जांपल कुकुम्बर, पंपकिन एंड दिस वन ग्रेप्स हैव द टेंड्रिकल्स व्हिच हेल्प द सपोर्टिंग। ऐसे लपेट करके प्लांट क्या करता है? धीरे धीरे किसी अन्य सरफेस को, चाहे वो प्लांट हो या किसी वाल पे, टेंडल के हेल्प से वो प्लांट क्या होता है? क्लाइंब करते हैं, ऊपर की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। ऑक्सिलरी ब्लड क्या होता है, स्टेम का मॉडिफाइड हो जाता है वुडी, कड़क वुडी लकड़ी की तरह स्ट्रेट, और उसके पास क्या होगा, पॉइंटेड थॉर्न हो जाएंगे, नुकीले कांटे की तरह, जो कि सिट्रस प्लांट्स में फॉर एग्जांपल इन द लेमन एंड अदर वैगनविलिया में कांटेदार स्टेम पाए जाते हैं। जब इस कांटेदार प्लांट को कोई एनिमल ग्रेजिंग करेगा या बाउंसिंग करेगा तो क्या करेंगे, उसके माउथ में पिंच करेंगे तो एनिमल उसको खाएंगे नहीं, तो हेल्प करते हैं किसमें, इसकी ऐसे थॉर्न क्या होंगे, हेल्प करेंगे, ग्रेजिंग से बचाएंगे किसके, इस प्लांट के। और सब प्लांट के पास क्या होता है, फ्लैटेंड और फ्लेसी सिलेंड्रिकल होते हैं, उनके पास क्लोरोफिल पाया जाता है, दैट क्लोरोफिल हेल्प इन द फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस and vegetative propagation. By the vegetative propagation, grass and jasmine also developed and they are modified into the other activity. So in banana, pineapple and chrysanthemum, the lateral branches originate from the basal and underground portion of the main stem, go horizontally beneath the soil, then comes out obliquely upward, giving rise to leafy shoots in the banana. So this is different modification of the stem that is used by the human beings as a storing food material, and they have the also modified thorn etc. help in the climbing and development of the plant by the stem. Here some modification of stem, that is underground stem, how it is modified, what is its form is present. You can see it is formed in the sucker like, means just like they have their stem have the suckers in which this they suck the water from the around. For example, in the mint plant, chrysanthemum, also in the banana plant, they have the sucker stem, rhizome plant, rhizome in the underground में ginger, they have a rhizome just like a ginger, they have rhizomes which help the collecting the nutrients. In the corn, colocilla, cord like stem, tuber, potato tuber, and another tuber, bulb like in the onion and garlic. This is the modification of stem, sucker type, rhizome type, corn type, tuber type and bulb. So in this topic we learned about the stem. Stem is a supporting part of the plant from which flower, fruit, leaves, branches are spreaded in the all over plants, and it also help in the transportation of minerals and water, and they have the different modified form just like sucker, rhizome, corn and tuber, bulb. They used as the storing of the food material by the different organisms, for example human beings. So this is all about morphology of the plant, in which about the stem, their characteristic feature, their role and their modification.